Hi, Forest 3. Did you know that there are only 3 weeks left of school? And then it's summertime. The tool for this week and next week are tools that you can use during the summer to stay calm and regulated while also having fun. They're called summer tools. We are going to practice one of our tools called summer tools. Summer tools are things that you can do outside in the summertime to help your body stay regulated. You could build sandcastles, play games, blow bubbles, play in the sprinkler. Spending time outside can help us be active, and nature is naturally regulating. Nature makes us feel good. At school, we practice summer tools. You're at home and can practice these summer tools plus more. We can practice playing in the sand, playing in the water, blowing bubbles, or playing outdoor games. I can do lots of things with sand, but it is really fun to make sand castles. I can use sand as a summer tool. Maybe when the beaches open up again, you and your family and friends can go to the beach and play in the sand. There's even more ways to play with water in the summer, like swimming, slip and slides, and running through the sprinkler. I love running through the sprinkler. Blowing bubbles is a great activity to do as a summer tool. I can practice blowing bubbles alone or in a group. I can use bubbles to practice deep breathing. Last but not least, there are so many games you can play outside in the summer. Some of my favorite games are yard games like throwing the beanbag into the hole and playing with balls like basketballs and kicking soccer balls around. Hopscotch is fun to play, and all I need is chalk. Tag and soccer are also good games to get me moving and using my muscles. I can use my summer tools in all of the zones. I can use summer tools when I'm bored in the blue zone. I can use summer tools when I'm excited in the yellow zone and need to get the wiggles out. My summer tools will even help me stay in the green zone. Today, the tool we used was summer tools. It is important to practice our tools. The end. I hope to practice some of my favorite summer tools during these next 2 weeks and share those with you. I love to garden and do work around the yard to get myself outside. I also love to play games. I hope you enjoy summer tools. Bye!